Hey guys, this is Andres over at Camperland. I'm going to show you how to drain and replace an anode rod in the water heater. Alright, so to drain your water heater, what you do is you open the pressure relief valve here. What it'll do is it'll start releasing some of the water from the water heater. After a while, once it stops, then you can come here to the water anode rod here. Once you get to the anode rod, you want to step to the side when you're removing it, or otherwise you're going to get water all over you. So what you do is just get you this is a 27mm ratchet and socket. And you remove your anode rod. This here is a good anode rod. Depending on how harsh the water is, where you're at, where you're staying, you may want to check your anode rod anywhere from every 3 to 6 months. You will replace it about every 6 months just because of the harsh water. And that's pretty much it. Once you're done, once you get your new one, you Teflon tape it, get it in there. You have to start it with your hands first. Once you start it with your hands, tighten it down to about there. You don't want to over tighten it, and that's it.